Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck outboard. The whole color is black, powered by a Mercury White 300 Verado digital throttle shift. You'll see on the front, quick oil check and fill system with the cowling removal. Here, being that you have an outboard, all of that is storage and you can put a lot of things inside there. As we look, we ordered the sea deck option, the gray sea deck on the swim platform. Coming into the boat, this does have a transom cooler built in, freshwater sprayer, cockpit boarding step. This is the new stone interior for 2020. Plenty of L-shaped seating in the back. It does have a battery charger. You just plug it in. Table will go right here with a bracket. Lots of storage with the full boat cover. Over here on the starboard side, removable igloo cooler. As we move forward, you'll see lockable in-floor ski lockers, two identical seats, flip-up bolsters, also slides back and forth for entertaining. Here at the helm, digital throttle shift. This boat is yacht certified. Trim tab controls. Does have the Simrad GPS and also the built-in gauges. Here on the port side, lockable glove box, a very spacious head compartment with a vented window. As we enter to the bow, you'll have a bow block-off door. Also, lockable storage in the console. Moving forward, you'll have flip-down armrest and a very spacious bow area with seating and bolsters. Finally, this does have the forward beach boarding ladder. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.